are just drifting? Like you're putting money aside, sure, but without a real sense of direction. You know you should be saving for something, whether it's a down payment, a dream vacation, or just a rainy day fund, but it all feels a bit vague. You're not alone. So many people struggle with setting and achieving specific savings goals. It's easy to get lost in the day-to-day and lose sight of the bigger picture. That's why today, we're tackling a question that's on a lot of people's minds. Can I set specific savings goals with Moka? Moka, for those unfamiliar, is a popular app designed to help you save and invest small amounts of money automatically. It's known for its roundup feature, where it rounds up your purchases and invests the spare change. But can it do more than just roundups? Can it actually help you hit concrete savings targets? That's what we're going to find out. Let's first quickly recap how Moka generally works. The core feature, as we mentioned, is the roundups. You link your debit or credit card to the app, and every time you make a purchase, Moka rounds up the transaction to the nearest dollar. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Moka will round it up to $4 and invest the extra 50 cents. This small, consistent saving can add up over time without you even noticing. Moka also offers recurring deposits, where you can set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your Moka account on a regular schedule, like weekly or monthly. This allows you to save a fixed amount consistently, in addition to the roundups. These features are great for building a general savings habit, but they don't necessarily address the issue of setting specific goals. So, back to the main question, can Moka help you achieve specific savings goals? The short answer is indirectly. Moka itself doesn't have a built-in feature where you can set a target amount for a specific purpose, like $5,000 for a new car or $2,000 for a trip to Europe. You can't tell Moka, I want to save this much money by this date. It doesn't have a progress tracker directly tied to a defined objective. However, this doesn't mean Moka is useless for goal-oriented saving. You can definitely use it as a tool within a larger saving strategy that you manage yourself. Let's explore some practical ways to do this. First, you can use Moka's recurring deposits feature to contribute a specific amount towards your goal each month. Let's say you want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house in 5 years. That means you need to save roughly $167 per month. You could set up a recurring deposit of $167 in Moka, knowing that this amount is specifically dedicated to your down payment goal. While Moka won't track your progress towards that $10,000 target within the app itself, you can easily track it manually using a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even just a notebook. This external tracking is crucial for staying motivated and seeing how far you've come. Another way to use Moka for specific goals is to dedicate your roundups to a specific purpose. While you can't label them within the app, you can mentally earmark them. For example, you could decide that all your roundups will go towards a short-term goal, like a new phone or a weekend getaway. This can provide a fun and effortless way to save for smaller, quicker wins. It's important to remember that Moka is primarily designed for micro-saving and investing. It's not a full-fledged budgeting or financial planning tool. It's excellent for automating small contributions and building a consistent savings habit, but it requires a bit more effort on your part to tie it directly to specific goals. To make this clearer, let's consider a couple of scenarios. Imagine you want to save $3,000 for a new laptop. You could use Moka's roundups and set up a recurring deposit of, say, $100 per month. Then, using a spreadsheet, you'd track your progress. Each month you'd add $100 to your total, and you'd also estimate the amount you're accumulating through roundups. This combined approach allows you to leverage Moka's automation while maintaining control over your goal tracking. Another scenario, you're saving for a vacation that costs $1,500 and you want to save for it in 6 months. You could use Moka's roundups and set up a recurring monthly deposit of $200. Again, you'd track your progress externally. In this case, you'd need to be realistic about how much your roundups are likely to contribute. If you're not spending much, the roundups won't add up quickly, so you might need to increase your recurring deposit to reach your goal within the time frame. The key takeaway here is that Moka can be a valuable tool for achieving specific savings goals, but it works best when combined with external tracking and planning. It's not a standalone solution for goal-oriented saving, but it can be a powerful component of a broader strategy. It's also worth noting that Moka offers different account types, some of which include investment options. While this video is primarily focused on the savings aspect, it's worth exploring these options if you're interested in growing your savings through investments. However, remember that investments carry risk, and it's important to understand these risks before investing any money. So, to summarize, Moka doesn't offer direct goal setting within the app itself. You can't input a target amount and a deadline and have Moka track your progress automatically. However, you can use Moka's features, like recurring deposits and roundups, to contribute towards your goals, and then track your progress manually or using other tools. This combination of automated saving and external tracking allows you to leverage Moka's strengths while maintaining control over your savings journey. Ultimately, whether Moka is the right tool for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple and automated way to save small amounts of money consistently, Moka is a great option. If you need a more comprehensive goal setting and tracking tool, you might need to combine it with other apps or methods. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.